How to repost an Instagram post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, find the post you want to repost. At the bottom, you'll find arrow-like option. Click on it. Then you'll find Add to Story at the bottom. Click on Add to Story. Then it will lead you directly to your story page. Press on your story at the bottom left and add it to your story. But if you want to repost as and post, click on the same arrow below the post and then scroll to the left. You'll find Facebook. Click on Facebook. Make sure your Facebook and Instagram is connected. Press on Next at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Post at the top right corner of your screen and it will be posted to your Instagram and Facebook as well. And this is how to repost an Instagram post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.